So, I want to vive ncholoke emuta from this burial the late Reverend Omar Ukpai. You got to go. And achọrọ nka ndị dụka Ada dị Ishefa, ndị dụka Matthias Ezeakufa, and the likes of them. I want you people to learn something from the state burial enyelu Reverend Omar Ukpai. State burial enyelu Reverend Omar Ukpai abụrụ because na Omar Ukpai wo a minister of God. And that is Ife Nnada Agwawa so many of you. That these men have gone far into impacting and raising men. That even captains of industries, so many of them are being raised by these men. Have you seen? Akwa Ibom state government organized a candle night service na Akwa Ibom Conference Center in memory of late Omar Ukpai. The same thing was done in Abia State. And the Abia State Deputy Governor accompanied the body to the border between Akwa Ibom and the Abia State. And the Deputy Governor of Abia State received the body away, move into Abia State proper. This is a man who has raised men. This is a man who has contributed to the society. This man is not, they are not just ministers of God as you claim. They are now elder statesmen. They are employers of labor. If you call them captains of industries, the way is here qualify these people in our industrialists, they will answer. And that is why in Mbodi Patre, even his hometown, Asaga in Ohofia, mana a great man departed to the point that Naha will start to ye because of what the late Reverend Omar Ukpai contributions here to the people of Asaga in Ohofia in Abia State. So when you look at this man, contribute to go to your quota. Most of these men started from nothing, and today, will go to the level where the society now respect them. And you think that the respect is just a my dear, they earned it. They worked for it. So many of them worked for humanity. Yes. So many of them, even government recognized the contributions. Tell me an industrialist who has impacted on more than 2,000 to 3,000 workforce on Akwugwonwa, and I will show you Omar Ukpai, who more than 20,000 people has benefited from him through scholarship, through mentorship, through empowerment, through name it. You want to go? So when you see this man, the way people honor them, the way people respect them, the way people talk about them, the way people say they have their honor, don't think that it is just because now they blue Bible, Sa Bible. So many of them are walk go their way. They have done their part. The rest is for God. So may the soul of late Reverend Omar Ukpai, the soldier of Christ, may his soul continue to rest in the bosom of the Lord. So before you come out to talk about the people like Adeboye and Ndotu, this man erase go man. This man erase go man. Even those not in the capacity, that worship erase go those people. And that is why when you see them today, thousands and millions of people, here is go millions of people. They have actually taken thousands of people away from poverty. Beyond that preaching and a preaching na altar. And that is why all over the world they have daughters, sons and daughters who are doing wonderfully well. Some of them being impacted by them, some of them being mentored by them, some of them being directly empowered by them. So when you raise men, when you invest in humanity, the reward on Hado Etana. The reward on Hado Etana. That is why, to some extent, even government, man, this man, even government man this man no Kosharis had to leave Ifeni on eme bia na Akwa Ibom state na Victory Cathedral for candle night abi memorial service emerie the other day. Kosharis is a great man, and for him to leave his engagement to come and honor this great man, you think that Kosharis na genuine? Kosharis is 1 billionaire na Igbo at the nonsense yo. You don't know Cosmos Madoka. You gotta go. Or how we make nonsense about the man. So wolu akwamozu umo Ukpai we malo jena beha careful how this man has impacted on both the youth of his community. That Nahane Bakwa, it seems like they have lost the Messiah of their time. You want to go? So instead of you to concentrate in creating your own path, you are talking about men who has done their part as far as this world is concerned. Even if somebody look at Pastor Adeboye, Oyedepo, name them. I'm an evangelist it's not because of Mount Zion. Even if they decide to close their Bible today, and stop preaching, if I'm of na food can never lack from their kitchen, and money can disappear from their pocket. In a factory, you wear 500 workers, 1,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 workers in Akugo, 10,000 workers in Akugo. This men will more than 10,000 to 20,000 men. Harris go through mentorship empowerment or through various means in Gwagolu. So how do you think you can equate these two? What they do is to invest in humanity. Plant your seed grow. Nobody can ever stop you from reaping the fruit of your labor. May the soul of Reverend Ukpai rest in peace. The soldier of Christ. I'm very happy the way the world celebrated him. Even Ndosha just to see this great man being lowered into 6 feet. Then for the question, Ukpai Kiluda 80 years. Ukpai at the age of 80 years plus. They were Kiluda 40 years. With the crazy nonsense lifestyle the way before you begin to mock a man, depart at the age of 80 something. After Obatsagolu also here, he has done everything and achieved every single thing Mweke achieved under this wine on it. He achieved it and more before war. You want to go? I'm happy about share this video. God